Omoncho murigereria Kisii FM Digital na kwariganirie na indeme ye channel yiga chinsa 11 cia bono margoba chingekina kwariganirie Amang'Ana Amayia sinchira yobwikirano retera nenguru kwa purity nyangweso ngonyeringa na bogotonyera gwetera emitandao yonsi pia social media Kisii FM 94.1 na begense miri radio ogotonyera gwetera birengo bya 94.1 igatiari na kwariganirie murogoba bono omoncho murigereria ngamo noroboti kurasi county ya Kisii abasomo governor Simbarati Ritu kura rero atakyo murubirio bogocha kobasira aboroki wabakuru chinga kitari kwenyara kurende bakorete byasa matemo aba KCPA umurubirio yumanyakanite buna elimu na Simba boigo kure county ya Nyamira nigeke gambero ritu kura rero gyatuguterari kina kyabegetwe kwamiriria obugwibo Mweske Steve Mogaka abuno mujumbe we constituency ya West Mugirango na boigo umuraibwensi ya Kenya Mweske William Ruto nigo ritu kura rero abatingira abasubati bonsi ase ritukeriga International Women's Day erikorende ribonerete gucingirwa kira tariki 5 cy'umutinyo gatatu kira umwaka ase umwaka yiga yarekanire ko beto bauti asa abandi bari cingire mapema ake ngokorigania kabene inche goikomwerio erinde nyora ya mona yanda mange asenchira yobwekirano Tugochakira noroboti uruguru ase county ya Kisii nigori tukoria rero omwaziri w'ekisemi Musikeze Machogu aikirana asumurubirio umanyekanite buna elimu na Simba yochakigwa ni serikali ya county ya Kisii kaukwana sigitiki ya Gusii Stadium abase bachakyo murubirio yo mwaziri Musikeze Machogu nigaine kyabuna nigara chikogenderera kubaigirira abagusi erinde bachikonyora magenderero chingeke chiga agenderete koba obisi buno muwaziri aiga Kenya Musikeze Machogu nigo begateba buna ni garete yari kigima guchiko mwarigania umuraibwense Kenya Mweske William Ruto gocha sorogongoru wa Gusii chingeke arubiri gutadoro gongoru starike 24 cy'umutinyo yigo gatatu abasate biri buna ni gara chikomosegeta abaretere abamenyi bense miyiga ebigwanda birachiko bakonya kwegendereria kiuchumi.
National and the county has various mechanisms, various ways of providing and giving bursaries. If we can be able to harmonize such that the county knows what the national level is doing, then we can be able to get and reach out to each and every one who is needy. Mambangine hiko, naende ngateria wana wa minto, uyunacha na deputy. Tukagana mbakase, Ruto tukaitaraza nero mustuwa nao. Tukagana na Ruto. Rula katabanga kwa mtasa kubati minga. Wale kubati asuko kubati wasema kubati. Akio watu wote nini? Ulo watu nini? Asema sama nepre. Nulangu. Asenge tumu Gusii. Umuna ntetu tuwala timu gaibere. Narangiri gavana ndarangiri n'umugavana Nyamira. Machobungi ngorira machobungi shitungorira umuntu atino kutumura cyakuri ozo kumara bokobara atino ligasi what kind of leadership do I want to narangiri abantu bamintu n'abacunga bonse members of parliament Gusii na Nyamira ngabayina kubatangira real excellence as a minister ya Chipara na eletiki ndege na tebanga Gusii asemiake machogwaro ege tunende kimbele teruto ange ndoko ya kusumu ndoko ya mabei itaishe sana kwa arase chindege chiacha
but we are happy that again Kisii will be a hub of center of excellence. We will be having the center of excellence in this region in the 14 counties that we are the people carrying the pillar of health. Kisii University will be the hub of that fund.
Omokonyi b'umuraibwensi ya Kenya Mweske Gashagwa nigakorete gikaro na abunchiriria ase sector ya small scale traders abasabe ni creative na serikali ya Kenya kwanza ero nige kubategerera aba Kenya bonsi na kumurikira amagani yabo kagukwana ase egekarikyo omusikiriga Gachagua nigo begabe tokweni kyabuna mbachi kumurikira amaganyo yabo nchereri yabo ase gekagichi wiki isato chiribusyo na bae amachiwe gore yenganiyo musekwito Gideon Machoka na twariganire roboti urwa sinchira yo wekerano ubuneko bwatya.
This is a listening government. It's a people's government. It's a government that respects the people. It's a government that listens to its people. It's a government that is willing to dialogue and engage with its citizens, because that is the right thing to do. That is why you are in this meeting. And you are welcome not just today. Even when we sort out your issues, they get better. Don't just come when there are problems. Come and say, no, Deputy President, our things now are okay. And you can invite me for a drink when things are better. Don't just come when there are problems. This is your office. Without you, I will not be here. Without you, President William Ruto will not be in State House. And that we know. And there is no way we can forget about you. The Ruto administration will continue to listen to the people of Kenya. And you are welcome to all our offices. We have told our cabinet secretaries, our principal secretaries, to open the doors to the people of Kenya. We'll have time to listen to you all the time. And that is why we are here today, to listen to you. And we engage in a constructive manner, and together we seek solutions. We must retreat, we must consult, we must look at all these cross-cutting issues as a government and agree, and then we'll agree between 2 to 3 weeks. Again, we come back so that we tell you this is possible, this is the way we go about it, this is the way. So I'll ask PM tupatie nafasi.
Nikigambiro Kenya mira nigo ritukoria rero gya tuguterare ikena kya begute kwamiriria obubwibo musike Steve Mogaka buno mujumbe o West Mugirango asobochere bonene bakorekanite tariki kyanda cy'umutinyo gatana gatatu mwaka wita musike Steve Mogaka kagukwana maiga yoko na cyukukorwegwa nigagokire egetambukirikyo abwasate birubuna bono nigari tayari kigimago chiko bakorera abamenye bebunge ya magenderero ekyagera kubono konye bitango bya mwiraniri magega nigo byarusigwe magega yekineki go tuguterware kinekyo nigo kyabegetwe no musike Rogers Muturi uyo beto yokabire asekemenano gyokorwaniriro bujumbe wa West Mugirango chinga kichobo chori obo mwako eta.
Nimepigiwa kura na Mungu kupitia kwa maombi ya wainjilisti na kujitolea kwao wapiga kura wa West Mugirango ambao walipiga kura safi na kuomba Mungu anitumie niokoe hii constituency ya West Mugirango. Na kwa leo Jaji Kiare wa Kiare amedhibitisha amri yake Mwenyezi Mungu kuwa wakili Stephen Mogaka ndiye alikuwa ametawazwa kuwa mbunge wa West Mugirango katika hii bunge ya 13. Lakini nashukuru watu wa West Mugirango kwa kuniinua, na mimi pia nitawainua, na Wakristo kwa kuniombea, na mimi pia nitakuwa mwaminifu kwake Mwenyezi Mungu, na tutatenda kazi na Kenya itaonekana. Na naomba Wakristo na wainjilisti mumuombee minister wetu wa education, kwa sababu mimi katika West Mugirango hakunipea hata barua moja ya kuajiri mwalimu. Yeye ni minister, anaweza enda kwa rais abadilishe hiyo, na sisi na nje buno mjumbe wa Milton nipewe barua mwalimu mmoja.
No raiwense ya Kenya umuske William Ruto nigo ritukoria rero abachingira abasubati bonsi meyense ya Kenya chingaki baikirania ritukerigario kubenyura abasubati ensengima gose International Women's Day kawukwana samagacho AKICC mu munenu Nairobi abasa basubati korochinsemo ao basangiririkana guchingira ritukeriga muraye umuske William Ruto nigateba buna abasubati nabo bamwakirite chikura asobonge kigima asobochere bonene abo mwakoita abasabiraniria ngambia mono asuko musira muske Ruto nigaine kebuno bono nigo baguchya kogendera kubeke mirubiro au yokosira abasubati asoborai na sekta ya uchumi.
Na niliongea na kina mama wengi sana wakati tulikuwa katika kampeni. Kina mama wengi walikuwa wameniambia ya kwamba wanapata matatizo, wanauza kwa jua, wanapigwa na mvua, na imesemekana hapa lazima tujenge masoko, kwa sababu wafanyabiashara wengi ambao wanafanya katika market wengi ni kina mama. Ni kweli ama si kweli? Na ndio tumesema hapa Nairobi, nimemwambia gavana wa hapa tunajenga soko 20 mpya hapa Nairobi. Na tunajenga soko 400 awamu ya kwanza, tunajenga soko 400 katika taifa letu la Kenya, in every part of the Republic of Kenya, ili kina mama wetu waweze kufanya biashara sokoni wakiwa hawaangaishwi na jua ama mvua, wako na maji, wako na mahali ya kwenda choo, na wako na mahali pasafi yenye iko hygiene ya kutosha, waweze kuuza mazao yao na bidhaa zao. Tumekubaliana jameni?
Mwancho murigereria tigabano tagenda yemo aseyemo SMS ito yamang'ana yechigosori abwase Bivon Omari aguchigotoerera ayatwariganirio mu rwobo bono.
Bara kabisa mwancho murigereria au Kisii FM digital na nene Robin ngokoligeni asomero ryo bugese ry'ikigosori nabo gusori esamrieta Bivon Omari. Uchaka nobina no bya Kisii County League bichikoendera ewekendiga ekirutikoligeni ya Jumamosi lirabe Kinya ekero etimega ne ya Mungaro FC barachikusikania Amona Central United asigeserokeya ne Kenya Biro Primary School guchaka chensa isano libere chamosom asengo yende etimi ya Rioma FC mbasigekani amune etimi ya Keroka asigeserokeya ne Kia Rioma Ground guchaka chensa isano libere chamosom ekirutikoye Jumapili lirabe Kisano etimu ya ne ya Geturi FC barachikusikania amune etimi ya Mayaka FC asigeserokeya ne Geturi Grounds guchaka chinsa isano libere chambosom ekro etimi ya Nyansara brach kobrignya etimi ya King Lions asigeserokelia ne yatendere guchaka chinsa isano libere chambosom etimi ya Gare Combined masigikani awana mosora asigeserokelia ne Kiaria Nyachabira guchaka chinsa chiri nichi isano libere chambosom abayigo asobnyangongo bwo ya Kisii County League engoyo yo muisoli tukelioni gyokuromere ekoyomeranya etimi ya ne ya Super Warrior ekro bachikusikania amona bo baracho asigeserokelia ne ya Kyore Grounds guchaka chinsa isano nebire chambasom kuriya ase obunyangongo bega no banyamira County League abagombo chikwendra weekend ga Imazon A ekero etimu ya Sigona brachikuyerganya etimu ya Santos wasegeserokelia ne ya Kendege guchaka chinsa isano chamambi asekimina kenda bega etimu ya Sparks mbachikusikikanya amuna bonyunyu asegeserokelia ne ya Kendege guchaka chinsa isano nebire chambasom engo yoyo mwelio asobunyangongo bwo banyamira County League Imazon Elite kelio etimu ya Kebrichimba chikusikikanya amuna kenani asigeserokelia ne ya Kebrichi Primary School guchaka chinsa isano ne mocha mobasom kuriya ase obunyangongo bwa Nyanza Regional League mbochiko yendra bigo weekend iga ekero etimu ya tendere barachikusikikanya amuna Kisii Industrial guchaka chinsa isano ne bere mobasom asigeserokelia ne ya Tender Grounds engo yende ngati etimu ya ne ya Global Connections ekero bachikobregenya etimu ya Geteni asigeserokelia ne Kiariguma Market guchaka chinsa ni isano ne bere mobasom etimu ya ne ya Nyamira United mbachikusikikania amuna Kineni FC asigeserokelia nyama ya stadium guchaka chinsa isano nebere chimoso liyo lirabitkulie Jumapili tariki isano asengo yo mwelyo igeserokelia ne Jansi cha Grounds nigeke timu ya Barabu Sundowns irachiko yeregenya timu ya Muruga guchaka chinsa isano nebere chimoso kuriya ase eminano ebiga nebya egekombe ya FKF Cup ekiwe kaboni ga change tuwe erieta na kurukwa Mozart Cup asingencho betting company ejiga ya Mozart Bet babigete sponsorship yige ka kemya keto ekiroba chikona na chi milioni ekirango yechi 6 milioni 50 nomo ekiroba chikona na chi milioni 70 kiro mwaka asigike kemya keto ase eminane byondo chigiga etimya Rainbow mbachi kusikania amune timu ya Migoro Youth asigeserokelia ne ya Kasarani Annex imemocho Nairobi ekero etimu ya Zitek Titans abrachikusikania amuna AFC Leopards asigeserokelia ne ya Kasarani Stadium mocho Nairobi etimu ya Tusker basikania amuna Berlin asigeserokelia ne ya Kasarani Annex imemocho Nairobi Mofa ya timu ya KCB asigeserokelia ne Kiabusi Stadium etimu ya Nyota basikania amuna Darajani Gogo ekero etimu ya Kajiado abrachikusikania amuna Ulinzi Stars etimu ya Mwatate United basikania amuna Coastal Heroes Karatha Homeboys basikania amuna Sofapaka ekero Salma barachikusikania amuna Kakamega Homeboys Gusuka mutu mpaka ase eminano biria ne bya EPL gukira rero nigo litkurigoro etimu ya Arsenal bayingirete etimu ya Everton chigori inye ase rigina lisegero ekero etimu ya Liverpool bayingirete etimu ya Wolves chigori bire ase rigina lisegero asobinyangongo obajya no bwa FA etimu ya Manchester United nigo yekuretie etimu ya West Ham chigori isato ase eyemo ekera sengo yende etimu ya Sheffield United banyatko bakuyingira etimu ya Tottenham Hotspur abamuraba ya Antonio Conte egori eyemo ase rigina lisegero ekere etimu ya Tottenham Hotspur andake mbaka gitsenga usimba chikonyora gukurwa litukirire igoro.
The penalty area, it's held up, shot from distance, great save Amayia, and he had to get low down to his right hand side. Manchester United moving that ball into range quickly.
They're not forcing the issue. Manchester United on to
chip forward now. Antonio, he's got through the two centre backs. Antonio, 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper. He's taken it a bit wide. Oh, he's put it straight at David De Gea, and De Gea makes the block. It will be a corner. It could have been so much more. 22 minutes gone. It's Manchester United 0, West Ham United 0. West Ham United left, ball towards Emerson. Emerson cuts it into the penalty area. West Ham a chance arriving here. Shot forward and into the top corner of the net. And would you look at that? Saeed Benrahma sends the West Ham fans into delirium. Fantastic finish from Saeed Benrahma. That's where we are now. Chip ball forward from Rice into the penalty area. It might fall. Fornals across the face of goal. All it needed was the slightest touch. And Fornals fired it with conviction across that corridor of uncertainty. 77 on the clock. Fernandes in swinger towards the goalkeeper. It's got in! It's got in from the corner. Well, Weghorst looks to have got the final touch. It's certainly got a flick inside the West Ham half. Gets the cross in from the right-hand side. Again, cleared. It drops. Weghorst in the penalty area. Shoots. Deflected. It drops to Garnacho. Garnacho shoots. The brilliant goal by Alejandro Garnacho. 20 seconds of normal time remaining. And Manchester United are taking the lead. It's heartbreaking for West Ham United. Hope's dying for West Ham now. Rashford plays it into the penalty area again. Oh, again, slipped. Is he going to give it away? It's balled up by Fred. It's 3-1. It's all over. Manchester United are heading into the quarterfinals of the FA. Well, this is Trent Alexander-Arnold. And Elliott. That's a good stop. And Mohamed Salah gets his goal.
Waigo ase tukolero omwachumuliro Kisii FM digital imeno mbichiko yendra obotuko bwarero bikeigo ekero timu ya Real Madrid brachikisikania amona Barcelona asobinyangongo bwa Copa del Rey imiabo Hispania litko eliga ne lyarero Wekirabo mwachumuliro ya Kisii FM digital nongokolera osekolingira egesere kigaje chikosoli na bogosoli ngogo semya ogasene kulutugati mirobito wetra Kisii FM digital subscribe na libinto bikubabuya nchingoro kwa Bivan Omari kwa heri ya kuonana.
Mwencho murigereria Kisii FM digital na radio twakwareganiria senchera yobwikirano omorogoba obono ngokiranira ngambie mona soko yabo atia yiga imeye chaniri yiga goikomwerio retera ninguru kwa Purity Nyangweso.